well, here's another adventure. Roger, my friend who has too many cars and no place to put them, kind of similar to me. We're got the trailer hooked up back there, and we are headed to pick up a 1920s something or other rat rod. Well, this is the thing he absolutely needed but didn't really need. We're gonna get it loaded up here because we're on the side of the road, but it's gonna be an interesting one. It's pretty cool so far. Hang on. All right, come this way just a little bit. Okay. Come my way just a touch. We're gonna stop. You're good right there. Well, it's on. We're gonna get her out of here. All right, well, we made it back.
It's getting cold, ain't it?
Oh, it's getting chilly. So this is Raj's new purchase. 1928 Hudson Rat Rod in rough rat rod condition, which is what he's going for. So I think we're gonna have some definite repairs to make with how low that engine and transmission sit in this chassis, and the cross member being made out of that thin steel like that. But it's getting put away for winter, and next spring it's another project. As you can see, he's got a whole yard full of them down here, the 52, and there's a bunch of them back there covered in tarps. So he definitely didn't need another project, but this one will be pretty fun. Straight back.
What am I gonna bottom out on?
That's full. Oh, we hit. You're hooking on it. Yeah, go forward. You're good. Trying to put the board so we can clear the transmission pan. Newest toy. Just show you how much he actually needed another vehicle. Couple G bodies, 68 olds. This one's on hydraulics. This one's on airbags. He sold that to his son. This one's on air and covered in rubber still from our burnout. And the newest rat rod.
What is it? 1928 Hudson. I like the seats.
It is unique.
Big brother just had to adopt his grandpa. He's getting fed.
Yeah. Well, one thing's for sure. This is not a good latch for a suicide door, because that is not trustworthy at all. So we got lots of fixing.
All creased.